today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add hyperlinks on LinkedIn posts. This will be the fastest and the easiest way to do it. No more twisted turns, just straight to the point. So let's get started right away. First things first, go ahead and log into your LinkedIn account. Once you've logged in, you'll find yourself on your dashboard, which serves as your main control hub on LinkedIn. Now direct your attention to the top of the page where you'll see an option that says Start a Post. Clicking on that will open up a new post window where you can add content you'd like to share with your network. Before doing anything else, you'll need to get the URL or link you want to share. This could be any type of link, a video, document, or picture, whatever it is that you feel like sharing in your post. In my case, I'm sharing a video of an amazing woman riding and doing tricks on a big bike. Grab the URL of that specific content, and once you have it, you're ready for the next step. In the opened post window, tap Enter twice. This action will help you create a nice clean space between the URL you're going to paste and the description you'll write. Now post the URL directly into the content area. You'll notice that LinkedIn automatically generates a hyperlink right beneath the URL you've pasted. It's crucial to remember why we pressed Enter twice. This clever step ensures there's a clear space above your link where you can craft an engaging description of your post. With the hyperlink now set, it's time to put your description into that space. This is your chance to give context to your audience, why you're sharing this link, what they can expect, all the engaging details that will entice them to click and discover more. Once you're satisfied with your post setup and the hyperlink and description look perfect, go ahead and click Post. And just like that, you've successfully included a hyperlink in your LinkedIn post. It's a simple yet effective way to share valuable content with your network. If you found this video helpful and would like to see more content like this, don't forget to hit the like button. Be sure to subscribe to the channel and click the bell icon so you'll be notified of new uploads. Thank you for watching and happy posting on LinkedIn.